here at 911R. I just want to do a cold start here on the Wolf. You know, the engine's all nice and cold. We just pulled it in here. You know, this runs the Honda S2000 motor. This one's been freshly rebuilt. Doesn't have that many hours on it. I'll post the hours on it in the auction here. But transmission's also been fully rebuilt and serviced on this car. This car has just been track dayed by a local guy out here at Apex. And it's got a massive spares package that we took a lot of the photos on. And so this is really good, fun, safe car to get out and go out and tear up anything else you want to run out there at the track. And very economical run in the way. But all right, Alex, why don't you go ahead and start this thing up? We can hear it run. See, it runs really nice and smooth, no vibrations, no smoke in the exhaust. Just a really good car. These are a car you want to really warm them up before you go on the track. It should be at 60 Celsius and stuff before you actually go on the track. But again, these are fabulous car. Wolf Racing has been around forever, and all the way back to Formula One cars. So really neat package here.